heart of Ghaziabad, NCR's most affordable housing destination, Rajnagar Extension has emerged as the new address for budget home seekers. Strategically located on the new Meerut bypass of National Highway 58, Rajnagar Extension is like a brand new city within Ghaziabad. Driving on the NH 58 just across the Hindon River, tucked away from the hustle and bustle of Ghaziabad, you're welcomed into this planned township. Established infrastructure and abundant supply of affordable apartments, Rajnagar Extension is described by developers as the complete package.
Rajnagar Extension has the price range which suits the budget of the middle class buyer. Prices यहाँ पे 25 लाख से लेकर 45 लाख के बीच में है और राजनगर एक्सटेंशन के अंदर जो सबसे अच्छी बात है कस्टमर के लिए वो रेडी टू मूव इन ऑप्शंस। तो क्लाइंट के ऊपर रेंट और ईएमआई दोनों का बर्डन एक साथ नहीं पड़ता। आज की डेट में जो हमारे इकोनॉमिक सिचुएशंस है, कस्टमर बहुत ज़्यादा सेप्टिकल है, मेरा पोजेशन कब होगा, क्या होगा, उसके सारे के सारे डाउट्स यहाँ पे क्लियर हो सकते हैं। अगर वो अंडर कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑप्शन में जाना चाहता है, ऐसे प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं जो कि 36 महीने से लेकर 12 महीने के बीच में पोजीशन उनके अंदर मिल सकता है।
Be it Delhi, Noida or Ghaziabad's posh localities, Rajnagar Extension's biggest plus point is its connectivity. NCR's other residential hubs that boast of similar pricing will not be as proximate to Delhi as Rajnagar Extension.
Rajnagar Extension is the area which is just 15 kilometers from East Delhi. And if we say travelling time, leave aside East Delhi, which is only 20 minutes, Central Delhi, South Delhi and North Delhi are virtually equidistant. And in less than 40 minutes, you can reach in any part of the Delhi zone. So a person who is working in Delhi, who is working in Noida, who is working in that matter East Delhi zone, or for that matter who is even working in the Modi Nagar zone but wants to live in the developed zone, Rajnagar Extension offers a very good potential.
Multiple group housing projects here are creating an estimated supply of over 22,000 units, and there are options galore in the 2 to 4 BHK categories. The affordable price points have in fact already drawn 3,000 families to make Rajnagar Extension their home.
सुविधाओं के हिसाब से बहुत बढ़िया मुझे लगता है, खुली जगह है यहाँ पे, कनेक्टिविटी बढ़िया है इसकी, और सबसे बढ़िया बात है कि जब खुली जगह होती है तो कंजेशन बिल्कुल नहीं है, ट्रैफिक कंजेशन या पब्लिक का कंजेशन इस तरह की चीज़ नहीं है। ये बहुत बड़ा प्लस पॉइंट मुझको इसका लगा है यहाँ का।
Rajnagar Extension is also benefiting from various government initiatives. The Ghaziabad Development Authority is working on ambitious infrastructure projects centered on Rajnagar Extension. An upcoming Northern Peripheral Road will skirt the north of Ghaziabad to ease traffic congestion in the city. And an 18-kilometer 4-lane Hindon elevated road will run along Rajnagar Extension for better intercity connectivity.
We are constructing this ring road. This is NH24, NH58, go like this. They'll enter Delhi. What we are doing, this is Rajnagar Extension. From here, we are making elevated road up like this. It will come like this on this Hindon green belt. Will enter here. Anybody can come to this area hassle free. ट्रैफिक बहुत ईज हो जाएगा, आदमी को ट्रैवलिंग टाइम बहुत कम लग जाएगा. आई मीन इफ एनीबडी फ्रॉम दिल्ली, फ्रॉम यूपी गेट will in 7 to 8 minutes will enter this Rajnagar Extension, and it's a very affordable destination. If I'm able to make you enter in 7 to 8 minutes in Delhi, I mean I hope, I'm pretty sure people will prefer it.
Even as the UP government is in talks with the centre to extend the Anand Vihar Vaishali metro corridor, the Rajnagar Developers Association meanwhile plans to start a feeder bus service for residents for easy access to the metro station. A rapid rail running from Delhi to Meerut and passing through Rajnagar Extension has been envisioned as well. And plans are also underway to build a state-of-the-art cricket stadium in collaboration with the BCCI. Meanwhile, the Ghaziabad Development Authority is also speeding up internal civic works in Rajnagar Extension.
So what we are doing, वहाँ सीवरेज प्लस रोड नेटवर्क के लिए ऑनरेबल सीएम साहब ने अभी 200 करोड़ रुपीस का वहाँ इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर में इन्वेस्ट करने के लिए एक फाउंडेशन ले करती है. सो इसी महीने वी आर गोइंग इन टेंडर फॉर दिस सीवरेज सिस्टम प्लस रोड नेटवर्क. तो उनके प्रॉब्लम ये दो मिले.
Another highlight of Rajnagar extension is that the essential support infrastructure for residents is already operational.
Policing is very good here now, and power situation is definitely improving. The quality of water is excellent. It is the best in the whole area in NCR, and you can have clubs. Then you have, you know, some old age home areas in every societies. All the societies are following the latest standards. They are like environment friendly. They have rainwater harvesting systems. They have 100% power backups. They have children play area. Then the whole area has, you know, excellent schools are there. Delhi Public School is there. GD Goenka School is there. You have good hospitals there. Like Santosh Medical College is there. Then IMT is very close to this place.
With clear land titles and absolutely no land acquisition issues here, you can rest assured that your investment in Rajnagar extension will be safe. You can in fact choose from a number of under construction properties by companies like Ajnara India, Ascent Buildtech, Landcraft Developers, Charms India, High End Infratech, KDB Infrastructure, ProView Infrastructure, SG Estates, Star AMD Realcon, SPP Builders India, Vibhor Vaibhav Infra Homes, K World Estates, Vasu Infrastructure, MR Mittal's Infratech, Gorsons India, Yakshini Infratech, KDB Buildwell. If a ready to move in property at Rajnagar extension is on your mind, then you can choose projects like Ajnara Grace, River Heights, Grand Savannah, SG Indigo, SG Impressions Plus, Gulmohar Garden, Signature Homes. A 100-acre green belt along the Hindon River that runs close to Rajnagar extension has been declared as a reserved area where construction is prohibited. This lush green belt will always ensure pollution-free serene living for residents of Rajnagar extension. The Rajnagar growth story is still fresh, and for home seekers looking for a good deal, this is the place to be.